Hello guys, this is my Saturday morning and I just woke up like that. And ayun, we're planning to have a breakfast at Dennis. So, nag-ayos-ayos muna ako. Put a little bit lipstick. And ayun, lalabas na kami ni Zion. Going to the car. And yeah, medyo cloudy today. And malamig din. So, malapit lang yung Dennis sa amin and andyan na kami agad. So, sobrang gutom na kami and si Zion, he wanted to play that but out of order. And ayun, meron na kami agad na table and we're about to order food. So, tada! Ayan na ang food namin. So I ordered chicken, Zion's pancake, and then hindi ko alam yung in-order ni sir. So, ayun na. Enjoy! Bye!